Okay, so here's my first project in my new cleaned up workspace. Notice I've dragged that table out away from the wall so I can set my dryer on there. And so a while back I showed you guys how to clean your dryer vent from the outside using a lint eater vent cleaner. I'm going to show you what else they recommend you do. They recommend that you take this access panel off the back of your dryer and clean as best as you can, and then clean as best inside the vent as you can. Well, I do that on a fairly regular basis, and I have something very disturbing to show you. And the reason I started taking this thing apart is because the bearing started squeaking and I needed to replace the bearing. But once I got into the dryer, even though I clean it on a fairly regular basis, look at all that singed dryer lint inside this dryer and inside this heating element. And like I said, I clean this dryer on a very regular basis. And there's all this singed, look at, there's some singed ash and stuff like that. The back of this dryer is full of ash and everything else. Like I said, very frightening, very disturbing to find and discover, and I thought it was definitely something I should share with you guys. Not only cleaning out your access panel and your vent, but maybe once a year, or maybe, you know, even twice a year. Hindsight being 2020, I think I should have taken this thing out here in the garage and taken it apart maybe every 6 months. But again, some frightening things to find in your dryer when you think you're doing the right thing as far as maintenance.